Question number 6, and we have 2 more questions. Question number 6. How do we help chickens this time of year who have started molting, and what do we do when they start slowing down their egg production this time of year? Let me answer the first part of that before we jump into the second. How do you help them? High protein, high B vitamins. So if you think about what those feathers are made of, it is calcium, it's B vitamins, it's amino acids, it's protein. That's pretty much what feathers are made of. So feed black oiled sunflower seed, feed mealworms, feed soldier fly larvae, a lot of bugs, a lot of insects. You can give them minnows. One of my favorite things to do, take a cookie sheet or a shallow Pyrex pan, not one you're gonna cook with tonight, set it down in the middle of the chicken run, put some water in it, and then dump some live minnows in it, and they just swim around, and the chickens go fishing. And it's fun to watch. It's a good stimulation activity, just helps them, just enjoy a little bit of fun in the hotter summer months. But we want to focus right now on letting their bodies repair, which brings me to the second part of that question. When your chickens slow down on laying, do nothing. Just let them heal. You know what I mean? Like, let their bodies heal and do their thing. They have just put out a lot of eggs for you all spring, all summer long. If they're slowing down right now, it's because their body needs to put out some feathers. It's because it's hot and they're exhausted. So don't be worried about making them lay eggs. Now, if you want to just give them a little bit of a nutrient boost that might slightly spike egg production, think dill, fennel, bronze fennel, cilantro, parsley. Those highly fragrant herbs can help just increase their overall vitality. But I'm not going to be trying to make them lay this time of year. Let their bodies enjoy a natural circadian rhythm. So if it's hot, just let them do their thing. You know, provide some cool treats for them. Make some herbal tea, cool it off, and then put some ice in there and let them drink a cool herbal tea. And that's a great way to keep them hydrated and provide that extra nutrients in the hotter months. Give them some electrolytes, not the kind that you would pour into your drink. It's got to be specific for poultry, and especially probiotics. So just give them that extra boost to help them through their molting season and to allow their bodies that natural repair time.